Well guys, it's the first full day of my holiday. Got up, washed, dressed and all of that. Haven't had coffee, haven't had breakfast. Just wanted to get a quick bit of filming done before I do those. So today we are in Tenerife and they left this little leaflet on my bed last night, and it's great because it tells you all about the port, timings of things that are happening on the ship today, some general information. There's a bit for messages and things like that. So it's really, really good. It means I'm not having to use the Navigate app, which is the ship's app, if you like, which tells you everything, because I've got it all here. So we don't have any excursions booked for today. Don't know what we're going to be doing. We'll be discussing that at breakfast. My first night was fine. I didn't get to sleep until quite late. I don't know why I'm having trouble sleeping. Maybe it's just the movement of the ship and the noise. There is a constant creaking. It's not so bad now because we're docked, but when we're at sea, it creaks quite a bit and there are some strange noises and things. So it's going to take a bit of getting used to. Room tour will happen when the room is tidy, bed is not made or anything. I'm letting it air, but I know they will make it anyway. But I'm one of those people that tends to make the bed anyway. I get that from my mum. So I'll catch you a bit later when hopefully I'll be more awake. Dad's breakfast and my breakfast at the marketplace buffet. I'm here at the coffee port where you can get lovely coffee, and I have gone for a flat white today. It's really busy here at the moment, obviously quite popular, but good coffee. Most of my filming is in portrait mode because I'm filming on my phone, so apologies for the change of angle, but this is Tenerife, the port, and that is our ship. We've been following the signs for the city centre and it has led us to this area. It's not the most scenic of places. It's very, very built up. The design looks like something my nephew would build out of his Lego bricks. And a huge Christmas bauble. I bet this looks amazing when the lights are on and it's dark. After spending the morning walking around Tenerife, I'm here on the sun deck with my ultimate Pinot cocktail. It says on the menu it comes in a pineapple shell, and that would have been a nice tropical touch, but it's fine in a glass. Yum. These cocktails are very, very dangerous. And here is the view from my sunbed, although I'm standing up at this point, and a view of the pool deck, just to give you an idea of what it's like. I know I don't look great, but I've just come in from the sun deck. We're in the marketplace, which is a buffet for lunch. My parents have gone to get their food and I'm guarding the table. So then I'll be going and seeing what they've got. Having an amazing time so far, really loving it. And yeah, the weather is glorious and I'm really happy right now. didn't film lunch because it was just a buffet and not particularly interesting. Coming on holiday, I do like to try and eat food that I can't get in Britain. There are restaurants on the ship that serve different types of cuisine, but a lot of them charge extra, and it's like 30 quid for some sushi. I've got my book here, which I started on the plane, and I'm about halfway through, so I'm going to read this for a bit and I'll show you the view. So it's coming up for 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've come in and showered. They are going to hate me because the lovely white towel I used on my hair is now a little bit on the pink side, but I'm sure they're used to it. They'll get people with fake tan and all sorts. I'm not doing the room tour just now because I look a mess, but I will do it. If I don't do it today, I will definitely do it tomorrow, because tomorrow is an at-sea day, so there won't be anything to do off the boat. So I'm leaving my hair to dry naturally because it is about 27 degrees, people. I know when I'm editing this, I'm going to be watching it back and wishing I was here again, but there we go. So there's an afternoon tea at 3 o'clock in the Marketplace restaurant. So I'm going to go there. I think my mum is going to join me, maybe my dad. Don't really mind if I'm on my own or not, but the afternoon tea, I'll tell you what they're doing. I'll do a video where I show stuff like the app I'm using in detail, but I don't want this one to be too much information being chucked at you. Plain scones, raisin scones, roast beef, lettuce and mustard on Orlando rye. These are sandwiches and rolls now. Smoked turkey, egg and olive croissants, tuna and cucumber on white bread, egg and cress on brown bread, cucumber on buttered white bread, why? And sausage rolls. The accompaniments are cucumber, carrot, blue cheese and ranch, which I'm guessing they mean a ranch dressing, not an actual Texan type ranch. That would be a bit weird. Cakes, my favourite bit, but I'm sadly disappointed. Victoria sponge and angel cake. Not really my kinds of cake, I'll be honest. And then in patisseries and mini cakes, they do banana streusel slices, rhubarb roulade with chocolate flakes, apricot tarts, strawberry profiteroles, and a nutty chocolate cream cake. And then they do cookies. It doesn't say what flavour. I mean, I like tuna and cucumber. It's just a shame it's on white bread. But I'd eat that. And maybe a scone. But I'll see. I'll be taking you guys with me anyway. And then after that, I will be coming back to dress for dinner. I thought I'd take the opportunity just to show you a little bit of the Marketplace buffet. As you can see, at this time, it was very quiet. Change of plan. Because today is an embarkation day, they are not doing afternoon tea, but they will do it every other day. So we're going to try Snack Shack, which is by the pool. These sandwiches are teeny tiny. So I have a prosciutto and a tomato, pesto, cheese and rocket on rye. Sandwiches scoffed. We have come to the coffee pot and I insisted we sit in this little area. I'm just going to show you how cool this is. That's where you get coffees. And you've got your little portholes, Christmas decorations because it's December after all. My seat, Mum's seat, and back round to the entrance. This is lovely. My dad ordered a vanilla cold brew and I've asked to try some just to see if it can change my mind on cold coffee. Yes. Dad, do you want a cappuccino? Popped into the Indigo Lounge, which looks pretty amazing. And this is good. Look at that dance floor. So this is tonight's look. I still have my heels to put on, but if I put them on, I'll be out shot because I'll be too tall. I'm wearing my white platform wedges. We're going to have drinks and then dinner and then watch the show and then more drinks probably and dancing. So I will be changing my shoes from my wedges to the nude court shoes so that I can dance without twisting my ankle or stamping on somebody. Still got my watch to put on, still got my lipstick to put on, but other than that, good to go. Here I am at the Indigo Bar. I actually don't like the sound of any of these cocktails, so I'm having soda water and lime. Gotta pace myself. Dinner in latitude 53. Tonight's menu. Thai fish cakes with coriander and cucumber relish. I'm actually going to share this with Mum, so we'll have one each. Okay, here goes. It's quite peppery and quite hot. I think I like it. I'm not sure. I can really feel it at the back of my throat now. As you can probably tell, I did like the fish cake in the end. Mum and Dad are both having the duck à l'orange, or as the waiter refers to it, quack quack. And I'm having an aubergine stuffed with lentil and tomato, and that is asparagus over the top. The sauce is a herb sauce and it is just full of flavour. And of course, I went for ice cream. This is vanilla. In bar 53 after a delicious dinner, and I have managed to convince my parents that cocktails are the way to go. Cadillac margarita for Dad, sea breeze for Mum, rum runner for me. My first show on the cruise ship, pop icons, and the best bit, got to bring my cocktail with me.
Constructed, our icons are put through rigorous testing to ensure they are performance ready, right out of the box. And don't just stop at one pop icon. Why not collect the whole set? All your firm favorites. Elton, Tom, Cher, Tina, Bruno, Taylor. Why not try out the Lux Divas range?
Good evening, children of cultural abandon. You search for a savior, well here I am. And all the best ones are dying off so quickly, while I'm still here. Enjoy me while you can. Come to have you take the show. Feels like home. When you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees, I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power. Just like a breath, you know I'll take you there. Never those walls I built, well baby they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight, they didn't even make a sound. Baby, take off your coat real slow. Baby, take off your shoes. take off your shoes, darling. Baby, take off that dress. Yes, yes, yes. You can leave your hat on. You can leave your hat on. You can leave your hat on. Good looking, so refined. Don't you like me know what's going on in my life? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. Maybe spend a little time with me.
Mountain, road, glasses, hairstyles, and over 2,000 years of experience.
Destination.
You can never know what it's like. You float like winter freezes just like ice. You call me on this girl today. So I suggest you just throw that on away. The hand that can and that man that you bore already that had you
There may not be much filming done. I'm going to be dancing. And I can see a woman who's dancing by herself right now, and I'm thinking, that's my girl, my kind of woman. My parents have gone to bed. The night is still young. I'm staying up to party a bit longer. Just thought I would take the opportunity to show you the main reception, which is on deck 5, the deck my cabin was on, because it is absolutely beautifully decorated for Christmas. Because although this video will be out in January, this was a pre-Christmas cruise. Absolutely gorgeous. The show was pretty good, and it was nice to be able to have a bit of a dance. I don't know how much of what I said during those clips will be audible. I guess I'll find out when I edit them. So at 11:30, which is in about half an hour, the main club on the top floor called Indigo opens up, and I'm going up by myself because I want to have a dance on the amazing looking dance floor. I'll take you guys, but I don't know how much I'll vlog, if anything. I'm somebody who is not scared to be the only one on the dance floor, and if I am, I don't care. I'm having fun. I'm not having any more cocktails or anything like that to drink. I am not feeling in the least bit tipsy, and I'm quite happy with that because I want to remember this experience because I am having so much fun. I know a lot of my vlog clips are quite short, And the reason for that is I am filming on my phone for the most part. Here in my cabin, I can film on my iPad, which will stand up by itself, but I wouldn't want to take it outside the cabin. I don't want to risk it getting lost or damaged. I didn't bring a stand for my phone because I don't want it to be really, really obvious that I'm vlogging, and some places are quite busy and there just isn't space to set up a phone on a stand to vlog. So I'm doing as much as I can. I just hope it's not too annoying for you guys.
I don't think that is.
Filming myself in the lift mirror going down to my cabin. I had one dance and I am exhausted. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog of day one of my cruise in Tenerife. Tomorrow is a full day at sea, so hopefully I'll manage finally to get a bit of a tour for you guys. I still haven't been all around the ship myself. I've been doing too many things, and I have a list of all the fun activities for tomorrow, and I've already decided there are some I'm going to do, but I'm not going to tell you what. You'll have to come back and watch the next vlog and find out. Thank you for watching. Bye.